What's up everyone, it's Adam from Life of Adam, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm going to teach all lifeguards out there how to use a rescue tube. Now, I bought this on my own. Your job will supply it, but when you're a pool lifeguard, you're going to have to figure out how to use this thing. So I'm going to give you guys some tips. So first thing I like to do is I usually wrap it up like this when I'm done using it, when I leave it on the chair, and you'll usually find it like this when you start your shift. So all you're really doing is just untangling it. You'll have a strap that kind of looks like this. So you can just throw the rescue tube on the ground, and then you can just loosen up the strap and adjust it to your liking. So I'm just gonna take the strap, and all you really have to do is put it around one arm so it looks like this. And so the rescue tube should be attached. So in total, it should look like this. Then what I like to do, which is a veteran tip, is because when you're walking around, you have this piece of string kind of hanging. What I like to do is I like to take my palm, kind of like with my thumb like this, and I like to wrap it around my hand. And then once I have a good amount, I grab the rescue tube like this, or underneath, or however you want to hold it. And I'm holding like this when I'm guarding. So when I'm scanning the pool, when I'm on my shift, I have it like this. So let's say I need to jump in and make a rescue, I'm ready to go, and this thing's not gonna trip me or tangle with me when I jump into the water. So rescue tube's gonna look like this. Wrap it around your hand. You can guard holding like this. You can do one hand, whatever you feel comfortable with, but it's very easy when you spot someone that needs your help. You kind of just go right here, and then boom, you enter the water, and then you're all set. So when you're in the water with the rescue tube, really what you're doing is you're just taking it and just kind of putting your arms over it like this, and then this will keep you afloat, and it's very comfortable. And this is basically what you want to do with people when you rescue them, is you just take the rescue tube, you tuck it underneath them so they feel like they're floating like this. Now, one of the common problems people have is when they're swimming with the rescue tube, it usually pops from underneath their arms. So I'm going to show you my preferred stroke when I use the rescue tube is I like to do breaststroke. So I have it underneath my arms and I'm swimming like this. And you'll notice that the rescue tube isn't popping out. And you can also do this with front crawl. It's a little harder. It might take some practice, but basically you don't want to rotate your body too much so that the rescue tube pops out. So it'll look like this. And the entire time that I'm doing this, my head's above water because I'm swimming towards a victim that I'm trying to save. So you don't want to lose sight of them. You don't want to put your face in the water. This isn't swim team. You're going for a rescue, so you want to keep that eye contact. So those are some of the basics. Here's another tip. When you're reaching after someone in the water, let's say you're guarding on the side and they need your assistance, they'll be in a situation where like this will be around your shoulder and someone will be in the water. I'm not a fan of laying down or taking the string off of me and throwing it and holding on. If they're within a reachable distance, what I'll do is I'll go down on one knee and hold the rescue tube by the end like this. And I'll reach in, if you guys can see me, I'll kind of like this. So basically I'm holding the rescue tube at its end and I'm kind of just reaching in like this. And I'm kind of bracing myself in case they like pull me in. That's why I go down on one knee. I'm not going on both knees and I'm not laying prone. I'm reaching in like this. If they're too far, or let's say they're a little bit out of range of your reach, what I like to do is just hold the string, flip it in, and kind of position my body so I'm like in a strong stance so they can't pull me in. What I'm not gonna do is take this off and like throw it in like a lasso. And if they can't grab on, I'll just jump in and just tuck it underneath them. So kind of play around with what works, but this is kind of what I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have any questions, like and subscribe for more lifeguard tips, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you so much. Peace out.